Welcome. In today's guide, we'll walk you through the steps to view saved messages in a group on Telegram using the app on your PC. This feature is incredibly helpful for accessing important notes, links, or media you've stored. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your PC. You'll find the familiar interface with all your chats and groups displayed. If you haven't already installed Telegram, make sure to download it from the official website and log in to your account. Next, locate the group where you've saved messages. Scroll through your chat list or use the search bar at the top to quickly find the group's name. Once you've found it, click on the group to open the chat. Now, look at the top of the screen where the group's name is displayed. Click on it to open the contact information page for that group. This section provides details about the group, including members, shared media, and settings. From here, navigate to the Saved Messages section. This area is specifically designed for storing messages that you've forwarded or saved from this group chat. Clicking on Saved Messages will open a dedicated space where all your saved content from this group is neatly organized. And that's it. You can now view all your saved messages in this group. Whether it's text, media files, or links, everything is easily accessible in one place. Remember, saved messages are private and can only be viewed by you. This makes them a secure way to store important information without cluttering your main chat threads. Thank you for following along. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to share it with others who might benefit from learning how to use Telegram's features effectively.